Hola, my amigo friends. Hope you're all doing well today. So today I'm here with my dear friend Karen. I give her a ride down to come check out this apartment. It's only about 2 blocks from the Malecon in Progreso. The fridge here looks like it's pretty new and not too bad of a size. Be sufficient for 1 or 2 people. This guy's got a microwave, got a slow cooker, nice big king size bed. Wow, just beautiful. So it's all ready to go with internet. You got your TV there. Got a nice little outdoor seating area. Lots of closet space in the bedroom there. And everything is all included in this place, so it's just the rent. I just love these little outdoor, indoor areas that they have in a lot of homes and apartments. And there is, as you can see, a curtain if you want to separate the bedroom from the little kitchen, living room area there. The furniture is pretty new, I'd say, as well. That couch and chair looks like it's brand new. Karen was very, very happy with the looks of this place. It's quite nice, actually. It's got everything that you would need. Nice stove. She was saying that the stove was not there when she was looking at pictures online, so she was very happy to see that. There was just a hot plate on the counter. So there's a little toaster oven there as well. Looks like it's very well looked after, very well maintained. It would be just perfect for 1 or 2 people, absolutely. It's very bright, cheery, open, and a perfect location. You couldn't ask for a better location. Now there was another one that he was going to take us to look at, but after seeing this one, she jumped all over it because she really liked it, and I don't blame her. I really liked it too. It's quite a cute little place, as you can see. It'll meet her needs for the month of November quite sufficiently. Sorry about the voice over here, my friends, but she was chatting with the property manager there, so it was a little hard for me to describe what was going on here, my friends. Now, we were just concerned about the internet because he said, it's kind of iffy, but I see it is Izzy, which is the same internet we use. And he was saying that it was acting up a bit today, and she needs reliable internet to work, just like Jennifer. So, but I think she's going to take a chance and hope it'll be okay. And I'm pretty sure it probably will be. Now we're going to go in here and have a look at the baño, my friends. It's got a little office space kind of just before the bathroom as well. Nice big mirror there. It's also a very nice dresser there, as you can see. So lots of storage for clothes. Very nice. Nice bathroom, big walk-in shower, beautiful tile. I like that railing all the way along the bottom, or shelf I should say. Has a nice shelf there. It's got a handrail in there. Yeah, very well looked after apartment for sure. Just beautiful. I really liked it, and so did she. I love the tile floors. Very bright. Oh yeah, it does have a dresser drawer in there as well. I didn't even notice that. So there's lots of storage for sure for your stuff. Absolutely, that's great. And there is an air conditioner as well, so that's perfect. Perfect. I was teasing her. I said she could smoke her joints out here. She doesn't smoke joints. I was just teasing her. And then I told the young fellow there that that's where she'll smoke her cigars. But yeah, she don't smoke cigars either. So as you can see there was a clothesline there to hang your bathing suit when you walk back from the beach, which is kind of handy. Or if you get caught out in the rain, which it will happen. You have a nice place to hang your clothes to dry up outside. Perfect. Outside, inside. I love it. She was a little bit surprised how nice it was. I wasn't. As soon as I seen it, it was that apartment, I was like, I thought to myself, oh, this is going to be a nice little apartment, I bet. Sure enough, it's a beautiful apartment. And they really went all out, and how they decorated the table, and you know, they got all the cutlery out there. They really made it a show home, so which was actually really nice. And apparently she has access to those bikes as well. If she wants to use the bike, she's more than welcome to. And then the pool. The pool is open for use. What more could you ask for? I mean, that's really just, it's perfect. It really is. 800 is a little bit high, I think, but for 1 month, it'll be okay. Well, my friends, if you like our content, please give us a thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button. And leave us a comment. We love your guys' comments. I love replying back to everybody who comments on all of our videos. I truly appreciate everybody's support. Anyway, mi amigo friends, thank you so much for following along with us today. We truly appreciate you all. Have yourself a blessed day. Adios, amigos. Peace on earth.